Why does your scanner show the P1463 engine code? What does it mean? P1463 is a diagnostic trouble code for air conditioning pressure sensor insufficient pressure change. This error code indicates DTC is an enhanced manufacturer-specific code. Because it is a manufacturer-specific code rather than a generic code, its meaning changes significantly depending on the make and model of your vehicle. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low refrigerant, AC gas leak. Faulty AC pressure sensor. Wiring or connector issue. Blocked expansion valve or orifice tube. Blown fuse or relay. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Isuzu, Mercedes-Benz, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.